At the end of this tutorial, you're going to have your book on Goodreads, on your author profile, and readers are going to be able to find you and add their reviews. Sign in now, and we're going to do it together. You must have your book on a retail site like Amazon, Kobo, Barnes & Noble, Apple. Consider Goodreads like a library database, and they need to make sure it's available for sale. First off, it's always good practice to search for your book. If it's already on there, great. I'm going to show you towards the end how to link it to your author profile. But for now, let's assume that your book isn't up there yet. If you're an author already, you can go to Author Dashboard and then quickly add a book, or just type in here, goodreads.com/new. Either way, it's going to take you to this page. Fill this in. So title, always make sure it's accurate. If the book is in a series and you know that in advance, you're going to put that in parentheses. So Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy #1. Your author name, first name goes first, then your second name. Make sure it's the same as on your book. Those are the critical. Now you must have your ISBN number. And if you don't know where your ISBN number is, and let's say you happen to have your book live, just go to your Amazon page, scroll down, or you can use your ASIN, your ebook. I'm going to show you in a second. Now, if you're self-published, you can put your own name or the name of your publishing company, indicate the year, number of pages, the format, of course, any one of those, and then the description. This is actually the description of your book. Typically, you can use the same one that you utilize on Amazon or other sites, and select the edition language, and you can add your cover here. Now, you do want a high resolution image. You simply just don't want to go to your Amazon site, pull it off the web, and then add it here. You actually want to add your original source file, and you can make it a JPEG and so on. And it's just going to look that much better. So once you scroll down and click Create Your Book, it's going to take roughly between 1 to 3 days, and then your book is live on Goodreads. Now, a backup is you're going to search for the Goodreads librarians group, how to add a book to Goodreads. And you're going to take this section here and just copy, go back, and then you're going to click on Add New Books and Editions, a new topic. You're going to put Add a book to Goodreads. You're going to cut and paste this and then add in your additional information here. And then click Post. And you're going to find the librarians will do it roughly within 1 to 3 days. And if they don't, you can actually go scroll down and connect directly with Goodreads. Ask a question. And then you can go from there. And usually Goodreads itself, if you have tried it and it doesn't work, the librarians have tried it doesn't work, they'll actually update it for you. Now, this is the extra step if your book is already on Goodreads, so maybe Amazon had transferred it over to Goodreads already, or maybe even another reader had done it. So once you do the search for your book, now let's do that. Now you're going to use Edit Book Details to verify the book details. Then you'll end up seeing something like this, where it asks you to, is this you? And then you're going to click yes. So that's it. That's all you need to do to add your book to Goodreads. And once you do, you're going to be able to set up your author profile. How exciting. We're going to do that in part 2. So if you happen to like these videos, click like and subscribe. Happy writing.